Okay, I love my Apple Pencil, and this is going to be the Generation 2 right there. And again, it's just like a regular pencil, right? It feels like the same way that it will feel to grab a pen or something like that. In fact, you see me here holding it right here. And I like it a lot because I don't like messing around with my iPad, putting my finger. Sometimes it gets really dirty and all that stuff. So again, the pencil is just a cool thing to have. You could draw, you could write, you could do multiple different things with this. I'm going to give you a closer look here for you guys to see. And as you guys can see right here on the iPad, I was just messing around with it as I was recording this video. But you can see it right here. Again, just looks like a regular pencil. It doesn't weigh that much. It feels like the same feeling. And again, you could write like I was writing my name right here. You see that? Or you could use it when you're doing your keyboard. You could start, writing just like that. You could click in different platforms, like I just clicked right there. And then again, you could utilize this in all kind of different ways. A couple of specs is that this one is compatible with the Generation 6 iPad Mini, also iPad Air 5 and 4. This is kind of like what I have right now. You can also use it with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches, third, fourth, and fifth generation, and the iPad 11 inches, third, two, and one generation. You want to make sure you get the right one, make sure that it's compatible because, again, you want to make sure that it works. So, again, really, really cool. It allows you to paint, sketch, take notes, all that stuff, especially if you're a college student or something like that. It will be really beneficial to you. It does magnetic to the side of your iPad and it charges, which I always think is a good thing. Look at that right there, right? It's kind of right there, really protected with this case, but either way, it magnetics to the side, and again, it's charging as it's sitting right there. Okay, I'm hoping you see that right there. This is kind of like writing. You see me writing, but if I double tap, then the tool change. Now I have a different types of tools, and you can see it right there, right? So now I could start erasing the same thing that I was drawing. Look at that. I'm erasing that. Again, there's a couple different capabilities in there. I'm gonna pick this right here, and then you guys can see that. I mean, you could do all kind of different things in here. Again, just really cool. I really enjoy it. I think it could be beneficial to your setup and help you be more productive.